Welcome to Acumatica Construction Edition for real estate developers. Acumatica is a full-featured project accounting, job cost accounting solution that is designed for real estate and construction. It's designed to be simple, easy to use, but offers some special features that many real estate developers want or need. Multi-entity consolidations, intercompany accounting, multi-currency. As we log into Acumatica, we can see a simple orientation from a cloud-based solution. I have my workspaces, which can be driven around finance, banking, construction, purchasing, vendor control, vendor management. If I click on one of my workspaces, it takes me out to the tools that are available within construction or within purchasing. If we move away from this, we have a dashboard. Multiple dashboards are provided with the solution. In those dashboards are drilled down to transactions. So each of these widgets can be modified, and I can drill down to a specific transactions. If I pick one of the projects from my dashboard, it will drill me into a single screen where I can do almost everything I want on that one project. I'm going to move into a development project, multifamily, multiple lots. From the system, from the project, I can see exactly how I am covering my development costs, including all the lots in the phase. When I look to the revenue tab, this shows my schedule of values or my funding source to determine how I need to do my draws. They can be simple off of a single line item, or I can link these back into my cost code structure. We keep track of the original budget amount, changes. We can show you pending invoices or applications that are outstanding. I can manually enter this information. I can import this information from a spreadsheet if you have your schedule that's provided by your bank or funding source. If I go to the cost budget, I see all the line items broken down by the different lots, the different tasks or activities. Will show me my budget, changes, commitments, invoice, all available from one screen. If you see information and you want to take a look at it, I can actually come out now and tell the system to highlight one of the line items, have it drill down to the commitment details. In this case, I've got temporary electric. I can drill out now to see that it's temporary electric. It's a subcontract cost. I drill onto the subcontract and I can see the vendor now. See exactly for each lot what my temporary electricity is for that. If I go back to the project and work my way through the tabs, I can get to the change orders. Change orders are done in the system. I can create change orders, I can review change orders, I can email change orders, I can route change orders through DocuSign. If I want to run a draw or a billing, I run it right from the project. If I want to go out and look at any activity history, if I'm using the CRM system, I can see exactly what's happened here. If I look at my balances, it'll show me the revenue, all the costs. If I want to drill down, I can drill down to see transactions or commitment detail. If I want to look at all the commitments, I hit the commitment tab. This will show me each of the commitments associated with this development. Development itself broken down to multi-lots. Each of these commitments can manage multiple lots as well. If I move further, I can see exactly what we've got invoices. So if I've done draws, I can see exactly what my draw was. Here's my draw one. I click on the link. It will take me out and show me line by line exactly how I did my draw for each of the different lots that are out there. If we want to take this draw, we want to do an action, I can email the pro forma. I can look to see if it was progress based or if it was time and material based. I can take the form itself. I can attach it, route it through DocuSign or Adobe eSign. Move further into this, we can see exactly what we have from a compliance basis. So do we have any compliance items that we need to worry about? Releases, lien waivers, notices, those all can be stored on a project, utilized on a project. So the idea within Acumatica for real estate is simple, easy to use, but sophisticated enough to handle all of the needs of a real estate company.
I'd like to thank you for joining me today. If you care for a deeper dive demonstration based on your own organization's functionality and requirements, please reach out to your local Acumatica reseller or contact the number you're seeing up on your screen or via info@acumatica.com.